guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video guys, I'm gonna show you guys that you can create a newspaper inside of Canva. I'm gonna show you guys how you can do it. This is my first time that I'm going to create my own newspaper inside of Canva, and while I'm doing it, I'm recording it so that I can show you guys how I'm making the newspaper, how I edit it, and where you can find it inside of Canva. So try to make your own newspaper. Let's make it together and let's see how it looks like. So without any further ado, let's go to my computer. And I'm going to show you guys how to create your own newspaper that you can use to your blogs, for your social media posts here inside of Canva. This is my first time that I'm going to create my first newspaper, so I'm learning, and at the same time I want to share and show you guys how I'm making it. So here on the search bar, let's just type newspaper because I really don't know where is it those templates that I want to use. Okay, so let's search for newspaper templates. Oh, there you go. All right, so now here are the templates that you can use if you want to create your own newspaper. And of course we have to edit all of this. So if you want, you can choose which one do you want based on your category. Here you can click the category and then Instagram post or poster. So let's say, oh well, like okay, let's create Instagram post, and you can do that. And then here are some of the templates that you can create to post into your social media. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one of the templates here so I can, all right, getting this one. All right, so you can still choose which one do you want here. You can scroll down and take a look. All right, so I think I'm going to use this one, and I just customize this template. All right, there you go. So first I want to change this new arrival to maybe okay, let's say a health column. Health column, breaking news, and this one also. I'm gonna change this one to let's say discover the secret to discover the secret to DIY essential oils. Cause if you see some of my videos, I uploaded some of my DIY essential oils, so I'm just using that as an example. All right, essential oils. And then I'm going to change this this description into my own essential oil description. So to do that, guys, it's hard to, you can do by yourself, you can think about it, or I'm gonna use my friend ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and maybe ask ChatGPT to okay, write a short description about my DIY essential oil to post in the newspaper. Okay, so here is the short polished description that's suitable for newspaper listing, or you want to do it for ads. So I'm gonna copy all of this. All right, so if you want to include the specific ingredients, you can also include it here. Just tell ChatGPT to include it, or just your business name. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this one, guys. I'm just copy this one, and then I'm going back to Canva, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this a little bit. Okay, let's resize it. There you go. You can just play around with this, guys, and align. And then also your website. So put my website here. Alright, so now we're going to add my images here. So I'm gonna choose the image here on my upload pictures. So I just gonna drag this one and make it, fit over here, somewhere here. Or you can also change the background of this if you want to. You see this one, this is like a background color. So if you want to make the same color over here, so maybe you can change the background just like that, so it's like the same. Or if you want, you can make it white, just like that. So it's all up to you guys. You can play around with this. So I'm just showing you guys that you can create your newspaper inside of Canva, and then I can put my hold on, my picture. If you want to put or include your image here, guys, you can just get the image that you want in here. So like for example, okay, let's get some images here. If I get this one, and I'm going to remove the background for this, there you go, and I'm going to clip this one horizontal just like that, and make this a little bit smaller, and then I just drag it over here. There you go. Alright, so now you can see I have my picture, I have my images, I have my breaking news. You put your website. If you don't have a website, it's okay. Then if you want to put some of your what do you call this, the social medias like Instagram, Facebook, you can just go to elements and type some Instagram icon. Okay, there you go. You can put your Instagram icon there. So Facebook icon, YouTube channel. Okay, so I just want to group this so that you can just move it and align it. Okay, so then that's how you can create your own newspaper in Canva, and you can play around with this, guys. So yes. Alright, so that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you learned something from it, and if you have any questions, just write down the comments. And for all of you who are new to my channel, who watch this video, let me know, guys, if you have any questions. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before you leave this channel. And to all of my subscribers, always thank you so much for all your support. And I'll try my best to upload a video every week, or once a week, twice a week. Please watch my Canva tutorial, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. So that's all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.